As commercial spaceflight skyrockets, NASA's aging launch sites are facing a growing challenge: how to support tomorrow's missions with yesterday's infrastructure. Our new report examined the agency's two primary launch complexes, Kennedy Space Center in Florida and Wallops Flight Facility in Virginia, and their capacity to keep pace with rising demands. Kennedy's launch infrastructure was built more than 60 years ago for the Apollo program, and many of the facilities at Wallops have been repurposed over several decades. Today, both sites are becoming increasingly dated, and we determined they will approach operating capacity between 2028 and 2029. Over the last 5 years, the number of launches surged 252% at Kennedy and 467% at Wallops. The demand for more super heavy lift rockets means Kennedy may require additional launch pads, but space is limited, and building new pads may require extensive time and resources. In addition, the common use infrastructure at Kennedy, which provides power, gas, and transportation to the launch pads, is in poor condition and lacks the capacity to support growing needs. Thanks to recent upgrades, Wallops' common use infrastructure does not face the same challenges. The facility has also made updates to improve operational efficiency while studying the impact of increasing launch cadence. NASA has generally been slow to implement infrastructure upgrades due to declining construction and maintenance budgets. Although most launches are commercial missions, statutory barriers prevent these partners from contributing equitably to infrastructure projects. We made 3 recommendations to ensure the agency's launch facilities can support the next era of human spaceflight, back to the moon and on to Mars.